Hello again, and we're going to continue doing tours of different hotels in the Los Angeles area. Today, we're heading to the Garland Hotel, which is in North Hollywood and is another great location to visit, be able to visit Universal Studios Hollywood. This is a partner hotel of Universal. It's a very boutique and kind of eclectic hotel, as you can see, with unique decorations in their lobby area. They have a nice shop at the hotel that has a lot of unique California kind of items and boutique uh, foods and things like that there. So another interesting way to see it, but it also the outdoor areas are very very nice at this hotel. That around the pool, they have plenty of good places to go, and here just a nice kind of garden area that we visited. And the pool, like it to me, it gives you really the vibe of old Hollywood, the glamour of the old days of Hollywood, this particular hotel. Just taking a look at the different things, they have small cabanas and things. They also have great meeting areas, and this is an area that we went to try the food there. The front yard is a great restaurant area and is rated as one of the best outdoor restaurants in the United States. So, great place to eat. And I can tell you that the food at the hotel is really, really nice. Another good benefit of this particular hotel is they offer shuttle service in a old town trolley type look to Universal Studios Hollywood. The rooms are also well decorated and also have, once again, the vibe of old Hollywood. As you'll see here, that we toured a few different rooms, all on the first floor, that have nice little, not really balcony, but patio kind of areas, and that were quite nice. You'll see that they do have refrigerators in the different rooms, and the normal kind of amenities for a hotel. Uh, nice comfortable beds, stylish decor, and some do have connecting rooms like this particular one. Of course, they do have. We looked at a couple of the double bedrooms, but they also have, of course, king beds as well. You can see right there what I mean by the vibe of old Hollywood that you get at this nice hotel. Because some of the decor you'll see is old style Hollywood, and all of them have nice bathrooms. Everything looks to be quite modern, but still with a boutique and chic kind of look. As you can see in the closet, there's a picture of, once again, the golden age, I guess you could say, of Hollywood. This particular room is a handicap room. As you can see with the curtains that you have, the special poles there that is for accessibility. There's also extra room around the beds. You got a closet that's more accessible, as well as a bathroom that is more accessible. But you can also, once again, you still get the same amenities as every other room. We really like the Garland Hotel. If you like boutique, small hotels, this is the one for you, and it gives you great access to Universal Studios Hollywood. Once again, thanks for watching. Visit our website and subscribe if you like this content and want to travel further with us around the world.